Hi there. I'll start with the XRP weekly chart to show you the primary Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. So the weekly chart of XRP is showing us it's basically entering the early stage of accumulation. Whether or not this is the panic over stage of selling climax is yet to be confirmed. From a volume perspective, it has dropped to a very low level. So there is a likely chance that we are stepping into this stage. However, sometimes there would be a bigger drop before that period is over. So let me give you an example. This blue line is Bitcoin. So back in 2022, when Bitcoin dropped to the lowest point, for XRP, it was like a fortunate case because it has started accumulation already and started to have the automatic rally. And while Bitcoin made the massive drop, XRP followed, and that's when it retested the selling climax period. So this time around, if Bitcoin hasn't finished its drop yet, there is a chance for XRP to follow suit later on when that happens to Bitcoin. Okay, if that's the case. So that's only one example. If we go further to the 2018, right? What happened back then? That was pretty much in sync. Okay, although XRP already dropped earlier than Bitcoin. Okay, it bottomed out, just that it revisited the bottom when Bitcoin dropped. All right, so that's the situation. When the king, falls to the ground, the rest follows. That's the simple way to put it. And in terms of Wyckoff, what we expect or what we want to see is the automatic rally. So it hasn't happened yet. So what we are seeing right here is that the immediate support currently is 1.05 direct key level. The next level of support is 0.86. That's the purple key level. Those two lines were referencing the previous accumulation cycle positions, right? There is also another warning sign over here this week from the October 10th tariff announcement date last year. It went all the way very close to the top of the accumulation cycle back in 2023-24, about 70 cents. Okay, so that's another indication. So if Bitcoin really drops and drag down the entire crypto space, that may be the level XRP would test. All right. Now, let's zoom into the daily chart. Last session, we talked about when we get closer to the mid of this month, we'll get to see or get the confirmation, the 2C's confirmation. Either continuation of the downtrend, in this case for XRP, the short-term downtrend that started in mid-May, or a change of trend. And we get a confirmation already. Right? 3 days ago, it tried to go back, but the bulls pushed the price back to above the downtrend ceiling. So after 8 days of trading, I would consider this is a relatively solid confirmation that a sideways zone, basically support at 1.05 and resistance at 1.23, the red key level and the orange key level, is going to be the new base case for the near-term period until it develops into a new trend, breaking one of these support or resistance levels. And if you look across, the 1.23 is actually very close to the February 5th and 6th indicative candles. Why indicative? Look at the volume over there. It was huge commitment from both bulls and bears. And now that the price is sitting below that point or that level, this become a very significant resistance as of this moment. Unless very good news comes in, a bunch of liquidity willing to get into XRP, then that's another story. If you ask, what about if it is really trending up to challenge that line, by what date we'll get the confirmation, right? So let's borrow these two. Assuming this is the uptrend support, this yellow dashed line, it is pointing towards the 5th of August, or the 6th of August, roughly. If this is really continuing with the uptrend, challenging the 1.23, when we get closer to the beginning of August, this gap will lead us to the continuation of uptrend decision or changing of the uptrend coming back down. Once again, the range-bound situation I just mentioned. You can access this video 2 days earlier being a channel member. So join the other channel members now. If you want to understand key risk and narratives of XRP, check out the crypto updates video. See you in the next one. Thank you.